Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are finally checking out the Edge, New York City's newest attraction in Hudson Yards. We had planned to visit this back in the spring when it first opened, but unfortunately COVID put a stop to those plans. But now it's December, we got our tickets, and we're really excited to experience the highest outdoor viewing platform in the Western Hemisphere.
To get to the Edge, you need to be on the 4th floor of the Hudson Yards Mall, across from the vessel or the window to the vessel, and Dylan's Candy Bar. You can buy tickets here at the kiosk, or you can buy them online.
So, like all New York City attractions, once you got your ticket, you join the line, you go through security, metal detectors, and bag search. By the way, small backpacks and purses, handbags are okay, but that's really about it. And then you join the line. You join the line for the elevator. And they've created these digital displays that you see here to keep you somewhat entertained, informed, and a bit of Hudson Yards propaganda. So speaking of Hudson Yards, the Edge is located on the 100th floor of 30 Hudson Yards skyscraper. At 1,130 feet high, it is the highest outdoor observation deck in the Western Hemisphere. Now, if you're looking to see views from higher up, you can go to either the Empire State Building or One World Observatory, where their observation areas are actually located 1,250 feet high, but both of those are fully indoor. And just for comparison, Willis Tower in Chicago, also fully enclosed, has an observation area at 1,353 feet high. And in case you were curious, it's the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which holds the record for the tallest outdoor observation deck in the world at 1,820 feet. In terms of observation decks overall, the Shanghai Tower in China holds the record at 1,841 feet. But let's talk about the Edge, and let's talk about how you get tickets to the Edge. Now here's a quick look at the tickets that they offer on the website. Notice that there are 3 types of tickets, and if you order them online, you get a $2 discount. General admission are your basic ticket. It gives you access to the viewing platform and the attraction. Champagne admission is the exact same thing, but you're reserving a glass of champagne that you can have from the bar up at the Edge. Before I talk about premium admission, let's talk about one of the things specific to general admission, and that is timed tickets. Now with COVID, or maybe even before COVID, when you visit the Edge, you have to make a reservation for a specific date and time. So here I've selected a date, and you can see the different time windows that are available. You have to select one of these, and it gets stamped on your ticket, and you have to enter the attraction in the time, or in the time window that you select. For example, if you're visiting between 2 and 3, you have to arrive at the Edge between 2 and 3. But you can really stay as long as you want. And another thing, with the Edge reopening, it turned out that sunset is a very popular time, so they've added a $10 surcharge for the time blocks that correspond with sunset. So just keep in mind, if you plan to visit during sunset, there will be an additional $10 tacked on to your general admission or champagne ticket for sunset. So while Sierra waits to board the elevator, a couple COVID restrictions in place, the elevator is limited to 4 passengers at a time. So you will have to wait, which is actually a good thing because there's a pretty cool show in the elevator, and with only 4 people in there, you can actually enjoy it. And I'm going to share it with you right now. So welcome to the Edge. I'm not sure if you heard, but we were trying to count to 52. It takes 52 seconds to get up to the 100th floor of 30 Hudson Yards. But this is what it looks like in the main area once you get out of the elevator. It's quite an open area, and now we are going to follow Sierra as she walks around the perimeter and makes her way outside. So while we marvel at these amazing views, I'm going to share with you some facts and things to know about the Edge. So the main attraction is this outdoor viewing platform, and it really is, I guess the way to describe it, it's a triangular wedge that sticks out from the building. You saw it in the opening piece of this video. It extends out about 80 feet from the southern and eastern side of 30 Hudson Yards. It provides about 7,500 square feet of enclosed outdoor space. You can kind of think of it like an outdoor plaza. And we say enclosed because while there's no roof over your head, there is a glass wall that covers the entire triangular wedge, protecting you from the winds. So believe it or not, while you're up that high, it's not windy. In fact, for a December day, I had to say I thought it would be freezing up there. It really wasn't. But now let's talk about some of the cool spots you can take photos.
Given its triangular shape, there are 3 vantage points to take photos, each with a different perspective of the city. The outward-facing point of the triangle is the most popular. From here, you can get a single unobstructed view of the Empire State Building and Lower Manhattan. From the right, you'll see New Jersey and Hudson River. And on the left, you'll get views of Midtown Manhattan. To get these great shots, you'll have to join a line. Look for the circle stickers on the ground, which tells you where to stand. There'll be a staff member limiting you to 1 minute in each section.
Another really popular attraction is the glass floor, where you can sit and take some pictures. Again, you have to join a line. There are circles on the ground to tell you where to stand. This is the line here. And a staff member will give you 1 minute to take as many photos as you possibly can. So Sierra did it. Let's follow Sierra as she goes and takes her 1 minute worth of photos.
The last thing we'll tell you about the outdoor platform is the seating area. Patrons of the bar are given the opportunity to sit here, enjoy their drink, and sweeping views of the city. Speaking of the bar, it's located inside on the 2nd floor of the Edge. You're probably noticing all of the lights. That's because we visited during the Christmas holiday season, and the Edge was all decked out in celebration. I don't know how long the lights will be up. And here's a view of the bar. I imagine if it wasn't for COVID, this would be more of a lounge area. However, now you join the line, purchase your drink, and follow the exit signs to the outdoor seating area. You'll also find restrooms on the second floor. And here's a fun tip. The handicap restroom provides its own amazing views. And that's going to wrap up our video. We definitely recommend visiting the Edge, especially during sunset if you can. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe, like, and comment.